Welcome to this tutorial. Here we're going to restore this phone. This phone is an old iPhone 8 Plus. Let's test a new LCD on it. I'll clip the LCD. When you are clipping this, you have to be careful in order not to damage that flex clip. Then we install battery. We'll clip the battery flex as well. Then power on the phone. Wait for the phone to come on fully, then we can test if the digital touch is working. We can now test the digital touch and it's working. I don't want to test it much to avoid the phone entering disable. I'm gonna remove the LCD and the battery because I want to fix the camera and also the back cover. This course is self-explanatory. The only thing I want you to do is to pay attention. And once you pay attention, you are going to get everything from this course. If you have any issue, you can ask me message or use question and answer to ask me, and I'll reply you within some short period of time. The camera which I bought, the flash is longer than this old one, so it might not work here. I have to change it later. So for now, since the camera is not going to fit in, let me change the back cover of the phone. You can see the back cover is broken. It has been changed before, but it's broken. So let me remove this one and fit in a new one. This particular back cover is glass, they say, so if you are dealing with it, you got to be careful, otherwise it can cut you. What I'm using to remove this is just a leather that is waterproof, or leather or polythene. Though it's a little bit strong. You can use a machine here. Just put this phone on top of a separating machine and the back cover can easily be removed. But this particular phone in question is a little bit old, so I'm afraid I don't want anything that can damage the phone more and more. If you are dealing with old phone, you have to be careful. We have removed the old back cover, so let's check the new one whether it's the size. Since it's the size, we have to remove it and apply some gum. I supposed to clean this old gum, but this phone, if you look at it, is bent somehow. I'm trying to be as careful as I can not to have any issue with the phone again. So I'm going to apply the gum like that. You need to apply enough gum because this back cover is not a screen, otherwise it can easily fall off. So I have to apply enough gum here. So we can now cover it now because we have applied enough gum. So we can cover it, make sure that it's straight. Otherwise, your job will not be neat. So you have to cover it very well, straight it very well as well. And you can see we're gradually restoring the phone back to a new one. So let's remove this speaker flash, that is sensor flash from the old screen, and fix it on the new one. At this stage, if you lose a nut, keep it aside because the nuts are not the same size. Keep the nut aside because the nuts are not the same size. That's how iPhone is. If you try any screwdriver, it doesn't work, you use another one. And that's why you're supposed to have them many. This flex will not come out unless we lose the iron, this iron that's covering the screen here. So we'll have to lose and remove the iron. check the introductory part of the course where I show you guys how you can place nut to remove from phone, especially this kind of phone that has different nut sizes. You shouldn't mix it up. So let's remove the home button cover or the fingerprint cover. Most of what I teach here, you can hardly get it. This particular course here is one of its kind. It has never been taught, both in Udemy or elsewhere. The one that is similar to this course didn't give you all these details. It didn't show you all these practicals. We can now remove the iron. So there is a gum or set tape that flies with it. So the iron has come out. We can now remove this flex. Please be careful in order not to cut it. Be careful while removing it. So it has come out. We are going to continue this class on part 2.